Okay, I found this. I found this spring at Home Depot. This is only half of the spring. I got two springs for $2.50, and I'm using half of one here. I'll give the dimensions in the description. But this is about what I wanted to start with anyway, because the spring holds it open just a little bit, so that, direct down pressure causes it to do the trailing action. And then on the scale, I've got it set for pounds. Try to get rid of the glare here. There we go. It starts to deflect about right there. Oh, no. Wait, yeah. Hang on. About right there. It's just starting to deflect at about 6 pounds. And then that's about 8.5 pounds. 10 pounds. And then it cuts off at 11. So 11 pounds right there. So anyway, so on a very heavy airplane, say 24, 25 pounds, it's going to sit at rest about right there. And then it'll, probably takes twice as much pressure to go all the way down with it, and then the spring's still holding up fine, even if you deflect it all the way. So that's a pretty good spring to start with, I think.